What is that? Is that a new lamp? That's a write-off?
Yeah.
Do you even know what a write-off is?
Yeah. It's when you buy something for your business and the government pays you back for it.
Oh, and who pays for it?
Nobody. You write it off.
Who writes it off?
I don't know. The write-off people.
This can be a really dangerous mindset, and it's part of the reason why business owners sometimes need a reminder of this. So here's where this goes wrong. People start making purchases just for the tax deduction. They spend 10 grand to save 3,000 bucks, which means they're still $7,000 poorer if this wasn't a good investment. And they feel smart because they beat the IRS. But you didn't beat the IRS, you just reduced your bank account. So let's talk about when deductions actually make sense. Deductions are powerful when you're gonna buy the item anyway. The item genuinely improves your revenue or your efficiency or your operations, or if the deduction moves you below a meaningful threshold. So if we're talking about the QBID or the qualified business income deduction, or can keep you in a lower tax bracket, or if there's other benefits or incentives that may phase out. Deductions can be helpful to keep you under those thresholds. In those cases, the tax savings are a bonus. They're the cherry on top, and that's smart strategy. So here's when write-offs don't make sense. When you're buying a luxury item just because TikTok said it's a write-off, or if you can't clearly explain how it improves your business. You're stretching the definition of ordinary and necessary expenses, which is what the IRS is looking for. And that last one matters. Ordinary and necessary is the legal standard. Now, that doesn't mean you can't buy luxury items. Just like if you're gonna travel for business, you can write off a first-class ticket just like you would an economy ticket. But if it doesn't meet that test, you're not being strategic. You're creating audit risk potentially. Tax strategy is not about spending more. It's about structuring what you're already doing and what already makes sense for your business and your life in the most efficient way possible. Good strategy starts with, what does your business actually need? Then we can optimize around that. Bad strategy starts with, how can I buy something to lower my taxes? That's backwards. So the next time someone says, just write it off, ask them, write it off against what income and at what marginal rate? And what's the actual after-tax cost? And if they can't answer those questions, they're guessing. And you shouldn't build financial decisions on guesses.